Well, the filers of this suit are convinced, or believe that they have convinced the judge, that every day financial review teams and emergency managers are on the job, the rights of people are being denied. It's the way the appointed teams and managers do business in secret that is the target of the lawsuit filed today. When State Treasurer Andy Dillon introduced the members of Detroit's financial review team, he made one important issue very clear right away.
Under Public Act 4, the meetings that we hold are confidential and we're not subject to Open Meetings Act.
But these men are challenging elements of Public Act 4 and the open meetings issue in that lawsuit, the second filed by Highland Park School Board Secretary Robert Davis, who is moving to stop the work of the financial review team now working with city officials in Detroit. Attorney Andrew Patterson says there's a reason he believes the judge moved to hear the issue quickly.
Because they're holding these meetings in secret. The Open Meetings Act was just monumental legislation passed in the 70s in an era where people recognized that the open discussion of public issues helped. And I don't know why the legislature chose to go away from that, or why the financial review team feels that things done in secret are going to be better and accepted more publicly when they're done in secret. I just don't think that's the truth.
Filed in Ingham County Court today, Chief Judge William Collette will hear elements of the case first thing tomorrow morning. If he finds the way the review teams conduct business with their meetings in secret is a problem, Davis believes it could mean the beginning of the end of Public Act 4 and the process that creates emergency managers for government bodies.
The review team is essential in this process. If they're not able to make a recommendation to the governor as it relates to whether or not a local unit of government should be appointed an emergency manager, the governor has no authority to appoint an emergency manager.
I don't know how discussing these possibilities, some of them draconian, I would agree, how discussing those in public hurts the end result.
Of course, the filers of this lawsuit can't really predict what Judge Collette will do tomorrow, but they are optimistic because they were told to serve the governor's office and the state treasurer in order that their representatives will appear tomorrow in court. A first step that they believe, they're predicting, well, we'll be watching. It's going to be hard to see until the judge takes action.
Exactly. Well, if the lawsuit is successful, what could happen?
Well, there's no doubt that it could stop the process that's going on now with the teams evaluating finances. But of course, the judge will have to rule to determine if they stop now or later.
All right. A lot of people watching.
Yes.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Bill.